Welcome to class, everyone. Today, we're looking at common farm animals and crops. I'm very sure we'll be familiar with common farm animals and crops we have around us. Today, we'll be looking at diverse, various farm animals and crops in our farm animals are creatures that humans have domesticated and bred over generations to serve specific agricultural purposes. There are two main groups of farm animals. We have the livestock animals and the working animals. Examples of livestock animals are cattle, pigs, sheep, horse, goats, and poultry. While examples of working animals are horses, donkeys, and guard dogs. We want to look at functions of livestock animals. We have the cattle, which is known to provide dairy products and beef. We have pigs, which are raised for meat for our consumption. We have the sheep, which supply wool, meat, and milk. We have horses, which are used for work and sometimes for meat. We have goats, which provide milk, meat, and labor. We also have poultry, which supply functions of working animals. We have horses. Horses serve as transporting people and goods. I'm very sure we've been to the beaches before where we see us involved in different kind of sporting activities. Us also help in with field work and also as sport and competition. We have donkeys, which helps in carrying heavy loads in rough terrain. It helps in farm work and transporting people. We have guard dogs, which provides protection for properties, safety for livestock, security for people. Look at figure one shows common farm animals as well. We have all stated types of crop based on their purpose. We know agricultural crops can be divided into six main categories based on their uses. We have the food crops, we have the forage crops, we have the fiber crops, the oil crops, the ornamental crops, and the industrial crops. We are going to be looking at various uses of these crops. The food crops, as we know, serve as source of food for us. While in the food crop, we have the cereal crops, such which are wheat, rice, barley, millets, sorghum, maize. We have the fruit crop, different kind of fruits, the berries, the apples, the pears, and we have the vegetable crops, which include the root vegetable, the tuber vegetable. Examples include the carrots, the peas, the sweet potatoes, and the celery, and we also have the leafy vegetables, which includes lettuce, the Spanish. We have bulk vegetables, which include garlic, onions, and we have the cucumber family, which include the popcorn itself. The cartoon shows different. We also have importance of cereals to us. Since we listed the examples of cereal crops, we know it provides essential nutrients as well as its importance is serve as a foundation of daily diets worldwide. It's also rich in fiber, which is an important nutrient that helps to prevent disease. The fruit crops also is very important to us, to our body system. It helps to balance our diet. It's important for our health status and mankind. It's rich in source of vitamins, minerals, and the vegetable crops, which are vital nutrients, including vitamins, minerals. Look at figure 3 shows different food crops. See, while figure 4 shows figure 5 shows different roots, vegetable crops, such as the onion. Importance of forage crops. Forage crops is another source of crops, is another examples of crops. Its examples are sorghum, alfalfa, soybean, and wheat. It is rich in vitamin A, C, E, and K, and has high fiber contents. Examples are the cob, the the jute. It is important of fiber crops. It has It have high soluble and insoluble fiber content, which aids digestion and supports the oil crops, which are soybean, palm oil, sunflower, and seeds. It provides good source of plant-based protein such as soybean and other legumes. It is absorption of vitamin A, D, E, and K and contribute to better cardiovascular health overall, like your heart. We have the ornamental crops where we have the sunflowers, the ivy, the oleander, the holly itself. They are grown mainly for aesthetic value rather than for fiber or medicine. Ornamental plant contributes to ecosystem stability. It is used for ceremonial and religious functions. They also serve as an habitat creation for pollinators and urban wildlife system. Ornamental crops has provide air quality improvement by featuring. Thank you very much for listening.